Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious apple pie, step by step. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 6 to 8 crisp apples like Granny Smith or Honeycrisp for that perfect balance of sweet and tart. We'll also prepare a flaky pie crust from scratch using 2 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour. Don't forget your sugars, warm spices, and a touch of lemon juice for the filling. Getting everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's create that irresistible apple filling. Begin by peeling, coring, and slicing your 6 to 8 apples into uniform 1/4-inch thick pieces. This ensures even cooking. Next, gently toss the apple slices with 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice to prevent browning and add a bright note. In a separate bowl, combine 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and your warm spices. Finally, mix in 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to thicken the filling beautifully as it bakes. With our delicious filling ready, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. First, roll out 1 pie crust and carefully settle it into a 9-inch pie dish. Then, pour the apple filling evenly into the bottom crust, mounding it slightly in the center for that classic pie shape. Next, place the second pie crust on top, either creating a beautiful lattice design or simply cutting a few vents for steam to escape. Finally, crimp the edges of both crusts together firmly to seal your pie perfectly. The moment of truth. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake your pie at this temperature for the first 15 minutes to set the crust. Then, reduce the oven temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking for another 45 to 55 minutes until the crust is golden brown and the filling is bubbling. The hardest part is waiting, but let your pie cool completely for at least 3 to 4 hours before slicing. Enjoy your homemade apple pie.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.